So you probably can guess what this is all about. I was sitting here getting some work done at home, and I don't know, I just started thinking about how blessed I am to have a good partner in my life. It just feels really good, and so I wanted to just come on and just say that. And I got to thinking about all of those women who do have a good man in their life, or woman. I don't judge, you know, but, or I should say any male who has a good woman by her side. But this is more so about a good man. I want to keep the focus on a good man, because we know there are a lot of good women out there, and we see them every day doing their thing, whether they have a man by their side to help them or not. But I don't think we hear enough about a good man, you know, at the side of a woman, especially in the African American community. So I want to kind of keep the focus on that. I'm going to keep it really short because I just got a cough, and I need to go back to work. But like I was saying, you know, I was just thinking about how blessed I am, and thinking about all of those women who are blessed enough to have a good man by their side, which got me to thinking about those women who have never had the opportunity to experience what it's like to have a good man. You're missing out on a wonderful thing. With that, I would say, do not settle. Do not compromise your integrity. Do not compromise, you know, what you want out of life just to have someone with you. Now, in any relationship, there is going to be compromise, but there are certain things that there's no room to compromise. And I believe your integrity is one of them, and the goals that you have as to where, you know, you want your life to go and what you want to do is another, along a list of many. But, you know, if you don't have someone who is truly down by your side and truly down for you and what you believe in and your flaws and all, because we all have them, you know, take a look in the mirror and ask yourself, you know, why? And is that relationship really good for you, you know, at that moment? You know, would it be better for you to be by yourself, or is it better for you to just stay within that relationship? There is no black and white. It is not cut and dry. Each, you know, woman case obviously is individualized. Everyone knows what they are and what they are not willing to accept, and everyone knows what do and really does not take place behind closed doors. So, you know, a person has to make that decision by themselves. No one could tell them that they need to leave a man or that they need to stay with a man, because they truly don't know what's going on. They only know what they see and what they're being told. And there are three truths to or three sides to everything: the truth, the lie, and what it really is. And with it being three of them, you'll never really know unless you are the other person in that relationship. So, word of advice: get you a list if you are one of those ones who are in a relationship that's questionable. I say questionable because I don't want to say a relationship that's not working, because it can work. It's just that you need to figure out, and not you, but you two need to figure out a way to make it work for the best, make it work the best for both of you. So get you a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, and you make you a pro and you make you a con side on that paper. Draw you a line down the middle. You know, you write your pros and cons, and then you look at that list. If the pros outweigh the cons, then you have something there. Figure out a way to make it work. But if you have the cons outweighing the pros by a landslide, then you really, really need to take a look at your relationship. If you're, you know, into the higher power, whomever it may be, you know, look deep within that, you know, as answers to and as a window to help you out. But, you know, so try that. It does work. Now, with that being said, I have to get out of here, but I want to say that I am blessed. I have a good man by my side. I have been with him for, oh my goodness, God knows how long. People think that we are brothers and sisters at times when they see us, because we look such so much alike. So I wanted to say, honey, I love you. I appreciate everything that you do. I may not tell you. I know I have my moments, but so do you. I'm not judging. You do. But I love you. You probably won't see this because you do not do the video thing. In the beginning, he would look at my videos because I would tell him no one was looking. So he would sit and look at them. He'll tell me to put it on, but he doesn't look at them now, not like that. So he probably won't see this, but he'll probably hear about it from people who have, you know, viewed him. So I just wanted to let him know that he is appreciated. Everything he does not go unnoticed. He's out working now. So I wanted you to know that. I just was in that mood to want to share how lucky I am and how good it feels to be in a healthy, loving, committed relationship. So I love you, honey pie.